Yeah, hi. I'm going to show you how to play the A major scale on your piano or keyboard. I'm going to show you the correct fingering for your right hand and for your left hand. At the end of this video, I'm also going to show you what triads, what 3-note chords you can derive from the scale. So let's get started. Now the A major scale has 3 sharps. It has the F sharp, it has the C sharp, and it has the G sharp. So you have to remember to play these notes instead of these notes. Okay, let's get started. With your right hand, place your first finger on your root note A, B, C sharp. When you come to the third finger, put your thumb underneath, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, and back to A. Now going downwards, we're going all the way to the thumb, like this. A, G sharp, F sharp, E, D, and now fly your third finger over to the note C sharp, like this, B, and back to A. Let's do it again a bit faster. Okay, now let's have a look at the left hand doing the same thing. This time you start with your 5th finger and you go all the way to the thumb, like this. When you come to the thumb, fly your 3rd finger over to F sharp. Alright, and going the other way downwards, we're going down to the 3rd finger and then putting our thumb underneath. Now thumb underneath to the note E. Like this. Let's do it again a bit faster. Okay, now finally let's have a look at what triads you can derive from this scale. A triad means a 3-note chord. On step 1, you have the A major. On step 2 of the scale, you have the B flat. On step 3, you have the C sharp minor. Sorry, I said something wrong. I'll start again. On step 1, you have the A major. On step 2, you have the B minor. On step 3, you have the C sharp minor. On step 4, you have the D major chord. On step 5, the E major. On step 6, you have the F sharp minor chord. On step 7, you have the G sharp minor flat 5 chord. G sharp minor flat 5. And finally, you're back at the root chord, the A major. So there you have it, the A major scale. So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. If you want more free piano chord stuff, how about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course? Or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordscharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.